fingerprint lock with very simple operations. When in the factory default, any fingerprint can be opened this lock.
开锁，关锁，开锁。
So how to add a user? First, put any fingerprint and press about 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now you can add the admin user. For example, this admin user.
请再放手指，请再放手指，操作成功。
Now we have already added the admin user. So how to add the second user? First, put the admin user.
开锁，
And then press 5 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5. Then add the second
请放手指，
fingerprint. For example, this one.
请再放手指，请再放手指，操作成功。
Already success. Now we tried it.
关锁，
For example, I use this fingerprint
开
to
锁，
open. Yes. I try another
关
fingerprint.
锁，开锁。
So let's try another one. Fingerprint which we don't put in the lock. For example, this one. Failed because. Okay. How to delete the user? We open the battery cover and use the pin and press this button for about 10 seconds. When you see the green and blue flashes, you press anything green fingerprint about 3 seconds.
操作成功。
Now already success. All the fingerprint already emptied. Now it comes to the factory default. So now any fingerprint can be opened this lock.
开锁，关锁，开锁。
It comes to the factory default.